Okay, so today we're going to differentiate between Edison nickel iron and uh, Younger nickel cadmium, but we're also going to talk about what to look for. So this is an original Younger, I assume it'd be nickel cadmium cell, but look at the trademark. It's knifey or not niffy or it's like potato. Um, this probably came out of maybe a lighting set for maybe miners or maybe a radio set or something like that. It came out of a big hoard of nickel cadmium and nickel iron batteries. This is a fill cap, and normally you don't want to open those because that's like it's like a surgeon opening a patient. You want to have sterile conditions. If you listen, you can still hear um, electrolyte in them in there. So this is the second take I've done this. The first one erased when this device decided to do a hard restart. So I already went through all this, but it's already here, so we'll go through it. So nickel on the periodic table of elements is Ni, iron is Fe. So put them together, you get Nifi. So Waldemar Junger out of Sweden, his original design was nickel iron, but he moved on to nickel cadmium. But he kept the Nifi. See, it's in a circle. It's a trademark. It's not. It's not. It's a trademark that came out of the periodic table of the elements. But while his chemical choice moved to nickel cadmium, he kept, or the subsequent companies that used his technology kept NIFE. But even though he went to nickel cadmium, it appears that Thomas Edison scooped up the opportunity to use the nickel iron in the United States, and he made some lots of money and went towards refining it and getting it to work. And so the point being is you'll see a lot of knifey stuff that's confused uh, as being nickel iron, but in reality it's nickel cadmium or NiCad. Um, and then post World War II, I think in the 1960s or something, there was a merger between uh, Edison and NIFE, at least for uh, here in the U.S. for joint manufacture of products. So you'll see Edison NIFE. But prior to that, they were competitors. So I went on to explain that with corporations, big corporations like to eat small corporations, take all their patents, all their intellectual properties, and absorb them, and that goes on. And you can get that where one takes over the other, and it's kind of like a hostile takeover, or you can have a joint corporation where it's like a two-headed wampus where they merge the two entities merge into one, and they uh, they function as a team. So I think I think that's what happened right there in that situation. Someone can explain it better. This 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 is more of a Edison taking over some other smaller entity. and grabbing it. So anyway, okay, I'm gonna make this video real quick, see if I can upload it. Thank you.